Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 reasons why somebody would want to buy the solo car. I'm not talking about the stock, I'm talking about the solo car. Because most people that buy cars are not shareholders. Most people who buy Tesla cars are probably not Tesla stock shareholders. Maybe some, maybe like, no, 50% of the shareholders are buy Tesla cars, but majority of Tesla owners of cars probably don't own Tesla stock, especially at these prices. Who would want to buy a Tesla stock at these prices except for like super rich people? If Tesla stock did a reverse split, not reverse split, like did a split, I think more people would buy Tesla stock because they don't understand market cap and they'll just buy it anyways because they see, $500 or $400 versus, what it was at $2,000 or $2,100 that it is right now. But that's my whole point. So most people who buy the Electroma cars are probably not going to own any of the stock, in my opinion. And then so I was going to cover this green motor powers on another day, but I made a mistake and I scheduled the release date on a wrong date. And it got released today when it was supposed to get released on Saturday at 8 a.m. So I'm gonna have to make a new video for Saturday, but that was supposed to be the release date, but I messed up, and now I have to make a new video for Saturday morning. But anyway, so green motor power. The stock is up today, 42 cents. Just looking on the US side, it has a market cap of $180 million, while Solo has a market cap of $166 million. Electroma is traded on the NASDAQ. Green motor power is traded on the OTC. So OTC or NASDAQ, it really ultimately doesn't matter, because what matters really at the end of the day is shareholders. Big money, if they want to buy this stock, they will buy it. They will find a way to buy it. It doesn't matter if it's trading on the OTC. It doesn't matter if it's trading on the NASDAQ. They will buy it. When it gets traded on the NASDAQ, then the retail investors will come. They'll be like, oh, look, I can buy into this company called Green Power Motor. But retail investors don't move the market. Retail investors are just, speculators of what big money will do. If you think big money will pump the stock higher, then you should buy some and enjoy the ride. If you think that big money will bail on the stock, then it will. Right now, big money has bailed out of Electroma stock, which creates a discount. Will it continue to go down? I don't know. I don't know what big money will do at the end of the day. But the lower it goes, the better, in my opinion. Because, right now, 1/3 of its market cap is in cash. Because they have about $65 million of cash, I believe. So, the lower it goes, the more attractive it becomes, in my opinion. So, reason number 1, the Cybertruck. Everyone was saying that the Cybertruck was ugly when it launched. Everyone was saying that it will sell. But but there was over 500,000 pre-orders for the Cybertruck. So not everyone's going to be like, oh, the Cybertruck's the best. No, there is very mixed results on the Cybertruck. A lot of people, most people that I talk to, half of them are saying the Cybertruck is so ugly, and then half says, oh, that looks kind of cool. So it's very, very mixed. A very, very mixed between everyone I know. Everyone I talk to, everyone I showed the Cybertruck to, they're like, oh, that thing looks so stupid. I would never buy that thing. And then some people, oh, that's so cool. So it's very mixed for the Cybertruck, but it still managed to get 500,000 pre-orders. And another reason why is because Elon Musk has a strong branding, and the Tesla fanboys will buy a Cybertruck no matter what. Like, no matter what Elon makes, they'll buy it. They'll buy it. If it's a unique looking car and Elon Musk made it, they will buy it. If Elon Musk made the Solo, people will buy it. Lots and lots of people will buy it. Why? Because because Tesla has such a strong branding. So yeah, if Electromag was partnered up with Tesla, I bet you they would sell so many more Solo cars, because all the Tesla fanboys would buy up the Solo cars. But I did my research. I've went out and I've talked to probably 50 people. At least, not 50 people, at least 20 to 25 people. Half of them said that they would drive it. The other half said that, I would prefer to stay away from it. So not everyone is going to want to buy it. So, that's the reason number one. It's just the look of it, some people will want it, some people won't. If they manage to get the price down low, like, first of all, the people who would adopt it would be people who want a unique looking car. And there are people out there that will want unique looking cars, and those are the first adopters. And I think that Electromat short term will be able to sell their units to consumers, and if they can't, there's also businesses they can sell it to too. So Electromat will be able to sell their products the first year, and then once they get up the US operations, they'll lower the price, which will create even more demand. And the more and more cars of these on the road, the more and more people will look towards trying to purchase one, because people will want unique looking cars. Some people do, that's just my opinion. And parking would be so much easier, and if you're not looking to travel too far, it's a perfect car in my opinion. And then if we look at the Harley Davidson hog, how many hogs out there? How many Harley Davidsons are on the road? How many motorcycles do you see on the road? Every time I drive out on my I don't see any motorcycles on the road. Once in a blue moon, I might see somebody driving a motorcycle, but majority of the time, 90% of the time, I don't see anyone driving a motorcycle. 99% of the time, I don't see anybody driving a motorcycle. When Jeremy was doing the driving towards Planet 13, did you see any motorcycles on the road? I saw no motorcycles on the road. Even mentioned anybody invested into Harley Davidson? No, not very many people invested into Harley Davidson. So, but yet the stock is worth $4.22 billion. Electromat, $160 million. So yeah, and do I see more Solos on the road than I see Harley Davidsons on the road? Absolutely. And so yeah, I think the Solo will sell way more than motorcycles, Harley Davidson motorcycles. And not everyone can drive a motorcycle, but you need a special license for that. And it's way more dangerous to drive a motorcycle than it is to drive a Solo car, in my opinion. So that's factor number 2. Number 3 is it depends on the marketing that Solo does. If they people might come and talk to the sales rep, and they might say, oh, if you do monthly payments and you don't pay for gas over time, it becomes a free car. $200 a month, but if you don't pay $200 on gas per month, and you just use that on electricity, because every month you would pay around $15 for electricity versus paying $200 for gas. So, I mean, I would say that, over a course of 5 years of driving it, the Solo, it becomes a free car. It becomes a free car. And batteries will get cheaper. And if they manufacture it in United States, the car will become cheaper. And, it's free. Like, everyone loves free, right? So, I don't know. I think that Solo has potential. I am holding it long term, and the lower it goes, the more I buy. That's just how I think. I mean, I don't control the market. I like this company. I'm holding on to my stock. Big money ultimately moves the stock at the end of the day, and it really comes down to the management execution. If management can show investors or big money that, yo, we are selling cars, we are doing fantastic, we are flipping a profit, investors will pump the stock up. It's just that simple. That's just my opinion anyways. Is there risk? Yeah, absolutely. There's risk in every single company you invest into. So, yeah, is there risk in green power motor company? Absolutely. It could, there could be competition, and the competition could, and people can make electric bus. I mean, what's stopping other companies from making electric bus in the future? And they could just get phased out. Right now, it's a hot stock because J-Mac is promoting it, so the stock goes up because lots of people are buying. So, the market cap gets increased. Solo, not so much. There's, a lot of bears saying that the cars look ugly, the company's gonna fail, the business is gonna fail. So, it scared out some investors. And right now, I think it's just, I think the stock is waiting on the big news of deliveries, and I think that stock will skyrocket once the production news comes out. But again, that's speculation, and I don't know for sure. There's no for sure, and management may delay it, and might mess up and might F up. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, so Tesla is $2,100, almost $2,100. Once that reverse split once that split happen, they will be trading at $420, especially if the stock can stay at $2,100. It'll be like totally taunting the short sellers. Oh, look, 420, private 420. Neo stock is trading at 420. Oh no, not anymore. Candy Technologies, the lower this thing goes, the more attractive it becomes to me. I'm thinking of buying some actual shares of this company and not just options. I'm planning to buy options too, but I plan to buy some actual shares. But I just don't know where the bottom is. I don't know where the bottom is. I know there's a gap to fill between $3.87 to $9. So where's that bottom? No one truly knows at the end of the day. Shell, what is Shell doing today? Shell is trading sideways. DPHC, Diamond Peak Holdings Corporation, is trading sideways. Is another company I'm bullish on that I plan to hold my position long term. But that's just me. You guys don't have to follow me. I like this company, but the Diamond Peak might not merge with Lordstown. If they did, I think the stock would skyrocket. Arcimoto. If Arcimoto goes back to like $4 or $5, I might buy some. I don't know. I'll think about it. Blink is trading sideways today. Not too well, it plummeted and now it's just kind of trading sideways. How low can short sellers bring this? I don't know at the end of the day, but they are under pressure right now. So, and the stock is downtrending, so we'll see what happens. I hope the short sellers take it back down to $2. That would be a fantastic buying opportunity. Spartan Energy SPAC is up 8 cents after hours. Nikola Corporation down $1.57. Beyond Meat is trading sideways. Nvidia is up massively today. AMD is just kind of trading sideways. Micron Technologies is also trading sideways. Intel Corporation is trading sideways. HCAC, Hennessy Capital Acquisition Corp, starting to look like bullish momentum. Very good food company. I'm hoping Very goes on the NASDAQ. I think that would be cool. A lot more people would talk about it, especially retail investors, and they might even buy some of their products. Ooh, that would be exciting. I like, if I compared them to Beyond Meat versus Very Good, I would rather buy Very Good stuff. I think Very is actually better than Beyond. That's my opinion. Especially if you take the Beyond sausage with the Very Good sauce bangers, I guess. The bangers taste better. The burgers, I would say Beyond is slightly better than Very Good Food Company's burgers. But they're still comparable. I mean, they're both not bad. But Beyond is slightly better when it comes to the burgers. My opinion. But, but Very Good is like $93 million Canadian. Beyond is $8 billion US. So yeah, this is a big difference. Tesla, and that's why I think if Very can be on the NASDAQ, I think there would be a lot more interest in the company. Tesla is up $87. NEO is up 40 cents. I don't know. Anyways, this is it for my video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.